What could be the possible reasons for Spectrum Internet disconnecting?
Hello, friends. Today, we're going to tackle an issue that might be frustrating some of you out there: Spectrum Internet disconnecting frequently. There can be several reasons why your internet connection keeps dropping, so let's get right into exploring the possible causes and solutions.
Could it be your device?
First up, the problem might not lie with Spectrum itself, but with your device. This could be due to outdated software, overloading of your device, or some internal issue. Outdated software. If you're using an older version of your device's software, it might not be compatible with Spectrum's updated internet services, causing the disconnection. Device overload. If you're running too many heavy applications simultaneously, your device might be struggling to maintain the internet connection. Internal issues. Sometimes, the network card in your device might be faulty, leading to a sporadic internet connection.
Is it your modem or router?
Next, the issue might be with your modem or router. These devices can cause internet disconnection if they're overheating, old, or have a weak signal. Overheating. Electronic devices can malfunction if they get too hot. Make sure your router or modem has enough ventilation. Age. Older models of modems and routers may not work as effectively with newer internet services. Weak signal. Your router's location can affect the strength of your internet connection. Make sure it's positioned correctly to maximize the signal.
Could it be Spectrum's network issues?
Lastly, the issue might be due to Spectrum's network issues. These could be local or wide area outages. Local outage. Sometimes, local infrastructure or service issues can lead to an internet outage in your area. Wide area outage. In rarer cases, a significant part of Spectrum's network might be down, affecting users on a larger scale. So, these are some of the common reasons why your Spectrum Internet might be disconnecting frequently. To identify the root cause, you'll need to test each of these possibilities. Remember, it's always a good idea to reach out to Spectrum's customer service for help. Stay patient, friends, and happy troubleshooting!